welcome back. This will be a really quick video. All I'm doing is just installing my wiper motor. I'm sure most everybody's done this, but if you have one of these that's missing or you've got parts of it, stuff's in boxes, you don't know what's what, just wanted to show you the installation just to help anybody that's trying to assemble their car. So I actually a couple months ago took this apart. I was able to clean up the aluminum quite a bit here. Used a wire brush, wire wheel, got that somewhat restored to a silver look to it. And then I'm actually put some clear coat on it. And I just dropped the gasket, went down on the floor. Got this really cleaned up nice, took this cover off, painted it. So now this is back together. Let me grab that insulator that fell. Here's the little piece of foam that fell here. It goes on there just like that. I did not take this assembly off here, do anything with the motor. Everything was working fine. It was really just taking it apart enough just to get it cleaned up. Bracket here. I took all the rubber grommets off, got that really cleaned up, painted. It was in pretty rough shape. I did not take the foam off the back of it. These rubber grommets come pretty easy once you take off these little metal sleeves. So we'll just plug those back in there like that. Now this thing only assembles in one direction, so you can't really get anything turned around the wrong way. So you can see it's not a perfect triangle here, so this only goes one way. So you need to bolt this to the bracket first. It's gonna go just like that. All the screws are 8mm. These are the ones that go in the back, right into the motor. All right, so there's our assembly. We're ready to go back on the car. These are the screws that it uses to mount to the cowl. And then you've got a little screw like this that holds the wiper arm onto the back of the motor here. And even this only has one way it can go. 3 sides are square, flat, one end is rounded. So you'll find that same pattern on the arm in there. All right, so let's go ahead and install this on the car. Again, it's only going to go one way, which is just like that. All right, so that's it. Now it's just time to bolt on the arm on the back. You can see, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but you can't even really see it hardly. But yeah, this end here is rounded, so it'll need to be turned just right to get on that motor. Basically, you'll have to kind of operate the movement of the arm here while the little tab, while this piece spins around until it fits right on there. All right, finally got that on there. I had to put my metal light down there so I could see, get it lined up. It is hard to get to, especially with the car being an extra foot up in the air. We just need to tighten that down and we'll be done. I guess I need to plug in my cables. Now these were longer before I did the wire tucks. I I really don't like how they're coming up through here. I don't have a lot of choice because this one is not wanting to reach. I may need to separate these if I can. Split this line a little bit, separate these out, bring one up behind to go in here, and bring the other one up underneath for here. So it's not gonna work like that the way it is now. So, but yeah, something like that. All right, well, let's take this apart. See, one of these wires does a loop from one plug to the other, so that's about as far as I'll be able to split it right there. So that gives me a couple extra inches. Let's see how that works. Oops. So that goes in there. I don't think that's going to give me enough room, so I'm not going to be able to go that route. I think I'm actually going to cut this, resplice it, add some extra wire, get all this hooked up. There we go, that's done. Split apart more. Now I can get these wires around each side, and I think it looks better than it did before. So now let's see if we can get this plugged in. Still pretty tight, mainly because of the wire tuck. There we go, it is done. And I think it looks good. Just get a close-up shot here. You can see the wire goes up behind it there. One comes up underneath from the bottom. The other one you really can't see. It kind of wraps around the back and just comes right around that top corner. Alright, I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you next time, hopefully here soon. I'm trying to get this thing ready for Foxtoberfest, so hit like and subscribe, and check out the next video. See you!